This HEJIN Book Binding Kit provides a complete starter setup with a wooden press, wax thread, bone folder, cloth, needles, awls, and other essentials organized in a tidy storage bag. The included awls punch clean, accurate holes, and the book cloth is sturdy yet easy to cut, making it very practical for restoring worn covers and reinforcing older volumes. The smooth plastic bone folder glides over paper to flatten folds and creases without tearing, which is especially helpful when working with delicate or handmade sheets. Its bamboo and wood press feels solid and well finished, with rounded corners and a comfortable surface that looks attractive on a desk or workbench. The press accommodates projects up to roughly 11.6 by 7.8 inches, so it works well for journals, sketchbooks, albums, and many common book sizes. Clear instructions and thoughtfully chosen tools make this kit friendly for beginners while still being versatile enough for experienced bookbinders and a thoughtful gift for creative readers.